Hi everyone, happy holidays. I just wanted to jump on here real quick and give you a quick tip that you can use this week and next when you're visiting friends and family and, feeling triggered. Not that that happens to anyone, but a quick tip that you could use to remain, calm during this holiday season. So what is that tip then? Well, that tip is to use your senses. So I'm talking, sight, hearing, sound, taste, touch, right? All of our senses are there to really help us and to guide us back home to ourselves. And so if you're feeling reactive, combative, anything like that, use your senses to come home. And so that would be like, journaling or poetry or art, dancing, anything like that is gonna bring you back into your body and back into your truth. If you're not someone that's good with formal meditation, try, just taking a shower and letting the water pour over you and experiencing that sense of touch and breathing deeply. Right? Taking 5 minutes to do that can completely change your day, can put you back into your heart, which is, I know, is what your friends and your family, really what you want to share with them and what they hope to receive from you. So anyway, I hope that's helpful. Happy holidays. I can't wait for the new year. It's good to see you on here, and I'll be in touch soon. Bye.